Say. And say. Okay, shot.
Tapos sa kabila.
Shot.
In 445 naman tayo ha. In-out lang tayo. In, out, then, pak, pak, pak. Dalawa. In, out, pak, pak, pak. Dalawa.
Boleh. Okay, ready.
Pag din, sipain nyo ha. Yung may holder. Sino ang hawak ng kickpad? Sila kayo. Ayan. Pag din niya, sipain yung ganun. Pak. Tapos, kakounter sa 3-4-45. Okay, ready. Nakuha ba?
Sir, yes, sir.
Ready. Start.
Baba mo na. Yeah. In, out, 45. Sipain nyo ha, mga... Sipain mo siya parang... Ayun, sipain nyo. Tumataas ang...
Stop. Change. Hold.
Yung holder, yun na. Okay na yun, kasi left and right yung sipa.
Okay, ready. Start. Ready. Ready.
Go.
Push up. Down. Down.
Ah.
Down.
Pag sinabi kasi ready, naka-ready na kayo. Ha?
Down.
Ito yung ready tayo.
2.
Naka-ready tayo, hindi pa naka-ready yung iba. Yung ba naka-ready?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Okay, ready?
Oh, ready na, nandun yung ready. Pag sinabi ready, ano yung gagawin? Kailangan attentive tayo, lagi presence of mind.
Ready? Start.
In, out,
In,
45,
out. 3, 4, 45.
Beginners pa lang, babaan ng kickpad. Beginners pa lang yun. Hindi pa kaya yung matataas na.
Stop.